Hey everybody, we're out here at LAP Motorsports. We're going to do a quick tour of the shop. We're loading up to get ready for Indy, so let's dive in. Welcome to the main entrance of LAP Motorsports. This is kind of a trophy room setup here. Lots of trophies from previous races, as well as recent ones, of course. But just lots of stuff in here. And there's even some stuff here from Lewis's days racing with off-road. So we got that as well. Cool little area, lots of stuff in here. Obviously, it's a little cluttered, but they just have a lot of stuff in here. So over here we got Wendy's office. This is the main office for the shop. This is the other office. 3D printer. They're printing out some parts and ordering some parts as well. Mini logo right there. But let's head out into the shop. So you look up there and you see the orange car. That's Alain Laziere's car. That's Roy.
Hello, Zach.
There's the trailer. You gotta get this sucker loaded up. Here is the number 60 TC car, Clay Williams' car, up on the lift. And this is the underside of the number 60 car. So there you go there. Getting a turbo put onto Christian's car, the number 37 car. And Nevin is hard at work getting that done. And what's going on in the trailer. Nothing to report in the trailer at the moment, but there will be a car back there at some point, along with two upstairs. I think two of them are actually already upstairs, PJ's car and Bruce's car. The front office in the trailer. So over here, if you're curious what a race car looks like before it gets turned into a race car, here's a mini body shell with a roll cage already in it. So you get a bit of an idea of what is involved here with building one of these. And there's the engine. Over here under this nice cover is a JCW parts car. But lots to do to get ready for Indianapolis, and we are going to be ready, of course. Should be a fun race weekend as always. They're always fun race weekends, but this one will be especially fun. Right now, Clay's in the lead for the TC Drivers Championship, and we're going to do everything we can to make sure he stays there. So if you have any questions or comments to share with the racing team, leave a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching and happy motoring.